to take you for a ride. I'll be your super therapeutic guy, my guy. Hey, sọ fún wọn pé kán má dá sí ẹ, because you are the actor for your action film. You be the actor for your action film. You are the actor for your action film. You see, I needed to sing that song, paraphrased it, in the beyond the way the owner of the song, the hip-hop artist, the popular hip-hop artist in Nigeria, sang that song. And you see, what I'm just trying to say is that, simple, you are the actor in your action movie. You are an actor in your life movie. You be the actor of your life, a script that has actually been written of you. You are just here to come and act it out. You are here to come and bring it to fruition. Fine. We used to call the good guy, you see, what the literature would call, the protagonist. We call them the actor. You understand now? Nigerians, we used to call them the actors. And we call the bad guy the boss. And the bad guy is the protagonist. Now you realize that a film is not complete without a protagonist and also an antagonist. A film will not sell if there is no protagonist and if there is no antagonist who fights against the protagonist in the film. That is when the conflict get erupted. That is when the suspense is added to the movie, when there is an antagonist that is fighting against the protagonist. Same way in this life we're living, you are a protagonist in the movie of your life, and so you should expect some antagonist. But funny enough, a film cannot end except the protagonist has ended the life of the antagonist. If the protagonist dies, then the film has ended. In fact, you see the one we call the boss, that's the protagonist, being joyful. That's what we always call, you understand now, tragedy. Maybe, a tragedy ending the film. But scarcely do you see movies end without the protagonist overcoming the antagonist. You remember Jon Snow? Jon Snow in the Game of Thrones, who actually thought that Jon Snow was actually going to be a king. Nobody foresaw it at all until when gradually, all of a sudden, you just see Jon Snow being enthroned into the kingdom. You just see people supporting him, telling him that, my God, you are just the next king. You are the one that is fit for that throne. Wow. Even on that throne, when he became the king, a bastard, he had enemies. But the point is that a bastard that was not expected to be a king, he was called a bastard from the beginning of the film. He did not expect it, but because it has been written that he was going, the script writer had actually written it that yes, Jon Snow is going to be a king in this movie, and his kingship is a fantastic one that everybody was looking forward into. The guy was so gifted, witty, fantastic, has a very peculiar way of reasoning, and before you know it, he amassed fans around him. The same way in a life, no matter how, you are the protagonist of that movie. They might have called you bastard, they might have called you good for nothing, but you will be the king. You have been written to be a king in your kingdom. Fine, enemy can come. Jon Snow had enemies. He was stabbed to death. I thought the film has ended. In fact, I was almost crying that is this how Jon Snow is going to end the film. But you know what? Jon Snow rose up and the film continued. You said the life came back to the film. You said the revitalization came back to the film. The suspense came back to the film. And that tells you that even if you have been brought down, even if you have been stabbed, if you have had some people that have stabbed you at the back, people that you expected to be there for you but they were not there for you, don't look at that. You are here to be a protagonist to overcome those antagonists. It's a suspense that is meant to make your movie to sell. So stand up, be the king of your kingdom, the script that has been written about you, and know that nobody can stop you except you stop yourself. Those antagonists are things that is meant to be expected in every regular movie, a movie that is meant to be blockbusting. So in such a case, expect them, stand against them, overcome them, fight them, and be the actor wey no dey die for inside movie. You can't die until you fulfill your destiny. We are here to come and fulfill that script that has been written, and that script is that we should overcome all the antagonists. We should win. We should become, as in we should share the testimony. We should stand and overcome all the antagonists.